So, hello everyone, my name is Atul. I'm working in India Post, commonly known as Post Office. As a postal assistant, I'm enjoying my life. Not a bad life, I am enjoying my life. Limited work hours, 9 to 5, you go to office, do your job, and after you are free. You are free after 5 o'clock. So, you can do whatever you want to do. I am free, so that is why I want to try something new. If I tell you about my present location, what I am doing right now, so I am on my PTC training. PTC means Postal Training Center. It is located in Mysore, and I am currently in Mysore enjoying my life. Full day is very hectic, very tight schedule from morning 5 o'clock. There is yoga after classes. We have to assemble on the ground. There are many activities. You can play cricket, you can play volleyball, basketball, badminton, and many other games. Whatever you want to play, you can play. And finally, there will be tournaments. And we have to every classes. There are actually 5 to 6 classes, and in each class there are 25 members, and we have to make uh, teams of different games. There are 6 games and multiple stage activities you have to perform. And when I came here, I did not thought I will do so much things, but here there are multiple things you have to perform. I never did in my life singing. I never went on a stage, but here you have to do everything. You don't have to think that I will not do this. You cannot think that I will not do this, I will not do that. Everything that is sometimes it is compulsory for you to come, because in our class there are so many activities. Every day there are 6 activities, and you have to perform. Like 6 members will be assigned to do 6 activities, and one of the activities you have to perform on the uh, weekly 2 3 times you have to perform. Okay, so initially you are not confident, but after some time you are confident enough to perform whatever task you are assigned. Okay. So now I have done many activities, like I have sang a song. I also have a joke actually, and the main language is English, not Hindi. You can entertain people, you can make people laugh in your own language, in your native language. But if somebody says you have to make people laugh in English, that is difficult. But we have to do this here. Everything unexpectedly, we have to do things. Okay. So there are 3 batches of. One is IP batch. IP means inspector batch, and ASP, assistant superintendent of post, and also we are here as a postal assistant. So that is also not a very easy task, not a very difficult task, but you have to do whatever is compulsory. So I don't know what I have to share, but initially I will share some of the products of India Post, services of India Post, and why India Post is important, what is the value of India Post, how India Post is different from other. So when you talk about India Post or post office, usually people think about that only we have to send parcels, documents. That is actually you think whatever you are thinking, it is correct, but it is not totally correct, because in post office you can open an post office account, savings bank account. You can open RD, recurring deposit. You can open TD. You can open MIS. You can open PPF. There are 9 types of accounts you can open here. Okay. So how India Post is different from banks? Because we cannot say it is a fully operational bank, because we do not give loans. Okay. So this is the condition: we don't give loans. Without loan, we are doing everything. There are many counters. There are some back counters. There are some front counters. If you talk about front counters, there are 2 type of counters mainly, but there are so many counters. But mainly there are 2 kind of counters. Number one, that is booking counter. We call it as a MPCM counter. MPCM means multi-purpose counter machine. You can do multiple things here. You can book articles, you can book parcels, you can do PLI, and there are also related to newspaper, related to franking. There are so many works we do on MPCM. That is why it is called MPCM, multi-purpose counter machine. You can do multiple kind of things. And also the second counter is that is SB counter. SB counter means savings bank, where we open accounts, and also TD, term deposit, recurring deposit, RD, MIS, monthly income scheme, PPF, SSA, okay, Sukanya Samriddhi, and there are so many accounts. Total there are 9 type of accounts you can open, and PLI is different. PLI means Postal Life Insurance. You can open PLI, and why PLI is important, because we are giving the maximum rate of interest. Our product PLI is the best. Our scheme PLI is the best scheme. They are giving the maximum interest. Okay, so one by one, I will definitely make videos on each type of schemes. It is not a kind of thing that I want to gain something from this information. No, I will not gain anything, because if you open any account, if you do something, only India Post is gaining. Okay, I am getting my salary, and it does not have any impact if you open. If you open, then it is okay. If you don't open, it is okay. My only purpose is to give you the information free of cost, what India Post is about, what are the works of India Post, and that is enough for me. Okay? Nothing behind that. So thank you so much.